Question 2 says, as shown in the figure, a woman. So let's start out with the figure real quick. It's not gonna be the best, but here's the figure. Here's the person, and she is lifting the crate. All right, this is a girl. This is a person. Okay, so this is the figure 4.3. It says, a woman is straining to lift a large crate without success. It is too heavy. We denote the forces on the crate as follows. P is the upward force. So P is the upward force being exerted on the crate by the person. C is a contact force. So C will be this right here will be C. Contact force between the crate and the floor, and W would be the weight of the crate. How are the magnitudes of the crate forces related while the person is trying to unsuccessfully to lift the crate? So, the options are P plus C is greater than the weight, P plus C is less than the weight, P plus C is equals the weight, or P equals C. Well, off the bat, we could forget about we could forget about P and C because P and C cannot be less than the weight, and we're given P plus C. The force of P plus C has to be greater than the weight, or the P plus C equals the weight. So, if we think about Newton's second law, it just says that for every reaction, there's an opposite and equal reaction. So if the weight has a certain force, and then the opposite force will be equal to it. So it cannot be greater, it cannot be less than. So for that reason, I'm gonna say P plus C is greater than W, cannot be it. So that leaves us with C. P plus C equals the weight. As I said, for every force, there's an opposite and equal reaction. That's why I'm going with C.